Hi guys, we're going to make a German butter pound cake with blueberries and whipped topping. I have a 10-inch tube pan that I have generously greased with vegetable shortening and then floured. So in a large bowl I have 1 cup of salted butter that's been softened to room temperature, and I'm adding 2 cups of granulated sugar. I'm going to cream this together till it's light and fluffy. So I have 6 eggs that I've separated. I have the whites in this one and the egg yolks over here. I'm making sure my egg whites sit for 30 minutes at least at room temperature. So I've added my 6 egg yolks in. What you would normally do in this recipe would be to add 1 egg yolk at a time and beat it well after each egg yolk. But I decided to put all my egg yolks in one bowl, not thinking. And so I'm just going to add them in all at once and beat it really well, mix it really well. This is 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix that in. So in another bowl I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this is 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cardamom, and I'm going to whisk this all together. So I'm going to add the dry to the cream mixture now, alternately with 6 tablespoons of whole milk. I have my 6 egg whites in this bowl, and I'm going to beat this on my stand mixer, and I'm going to do it on medium speed till soft peaks form. Alright, so dumping the egg whites in there, and I'm going to fold this gently into the batter. Okay, so I poured it in my prepared pan and I spread it out evenly, carefully, with a rubber spatula. And I'm going to go ahead and bake this now in a preheated oven. And my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 50 to 55 minutes, and a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Okay, so my cake's done, and I'm going to let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it to a wire rack to cool the rest of the way. So the cake's all cooled. I'm going to dust it with some powdered sugar. I have 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries, and I tossed them around with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar just till it dissolved a little bit. So I piled all the blueberries in the center of the cake and up higher, and I'm going to go ahead and slice that now. So I defrosted an 8-ounce whipped topping, and I topped the cake off with that. And there is the cake, and I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.